Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add roles in Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your server where you want to add role, and then click on this little icon here and click on server settings, and now click on roles. And here we can see the option to create a new role. Simply click on create role and give your role name, and select the color, and you can upload image from here, and then click on save changes. So here you can see a new role has been created, and if you want to remove the role, simply click on the three dot icon, and from here you can delete any role from here, and click on this edit icon here and go to permissions. From here you can edit permissions for this role. Suppose I want to give permission manage channel, so turn on the channel and manage server turn on, and if you want to delete any permission, simply disable and then click on save changes. And now let's see how to add people on roles. Go to members, and here you will find your all the members, then click on this plus icon, and from here you can give roles. I'm going to give editor role for this user. So this is how we can add role in Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.